Breath control is the engine of all vocal expressions. From whispering to belting, from monologues to melodic runs, it is the strategic manipulation of airflow that determines power, stamina, tone stability, and vocal sustainability. This module delves into the physiology, mechanics, strategies, and training methods necessary for mastering advanced breath control. Whether you are a singer, public speaker, preacher, actor, broadcaster, or teacher, understanding and training your breath scientifically and intentionally will elevate your vocal capabilities, allowing you to project with confidence, precision, and strength even under fatigue or emotional pressure. 1. The science of breath and the voice. Breath equals to power. Breath is not just air, it is energy in motion. It fuels phonation, influences resonance, determines volume, and stabilizes pitch. Your vocal mechanism consists of lungs, the air reservoir; diaphragm, the muscle that controls airflow; intercostal muscles assist rib expansion; abdominals manage breath compression and support; vocal folds convert breath into sound by vibrating; larynx and resonators shape and amplify the sound. Without proper breath flow and management, the vocal folds strain, pitch wavers, and endurance drops. 2. Breath support versus breath control. These two terms are often confused but are fundamentally distinct. Breath support definition: the efficient coordination of muscles, diaphragm, abdominal, intercostals, to maintain steady subglottic pressure beneath the vocal folds. Goal: prevent collapse of airflow and provide vocal stability. Breath control. Definition: the intentional release and regulation of airflow during phonation. Goal: manage phrasing, volume, and vocal effects across varying intensities. Both are necessary. Support powers the voice, control directs it. 3. The role of the diaphragm. The diaphragm is a dome-shaped muscle beneath the lungs. When engaged properly, it contracts and flattens, expanding the lungs downward. It allows for deep, low breath intake without lifting the chest. It enables longer phrasing and less vocal fatigue. Learning diaphragmatic breathing is the foundation of all professional voice training. 4th, breath control techniques and training. A appoggio technique, Italian classical school, means to lean or to support, involves maintaining torso expansion while exhaling, prevents collapse of ribs or abdomen while phonating, used for sustained notes and dynamic vocal color. B. Controlled exhalation drills. Hissing on SSS for 20 to 60 seconds. Inhaling for 4 counts. Exhaling for 8, then 12, then 16. Exhalation on Z or V to simulate vocal fold vibration. These train the singer to economize air and pace their phrases. C. Phrasing exercises for singing and speech. Sing a full line without breaking breath. Read long sentences in one breath, e.g., Shakespeare. Match breath use to emotional intention. Phrasing control distinguishes amateurs from professionals. 5. Building endurance and stamina. Endurance is not only about strength, it is about efficiency. Performers with endurance use less air for more output. They train every day, gradually increasing breath demand. Use back pressure SOVT exercises to reduce fatigue. Take silent breaths quickly between phrases to recover. Practice with lung capacity exercises like yoga pranayama. When the breath is trained to respond under pressure, the voice does not break down. 6. Common breathing mistakes. Many voice users unknowingly sabotage their vocal power due to poor breath habits. See table above for more explanation. 7. Breath management across vocal styles. Singing, pop and R&B, needs quick breath recovery and power bursts. Classical requires sustained breath lines, dynamic swells. Gospel calls for breath-resilient emotional intensity. Afrobeat and rap focuses on rhythmic, percussive phrasing. Speaking, public speaking, requires long breath capacity and control. Acting or drama Uses breath for dramatic silence and intensity. Broadcasting or podcasting. Needs calm, quiet breathing to maintain mic dynamics. 8. Body alignment and posture. Breath control cannot exist without structural alignment. Erect spine, relaxed shoulders, rib cage expanded but mobile. Chin level, neck neutral, pelvis not tucked under, feet grounded, balanced. Tension in posture blocks breath and compresses tone. 9. Mental focus and breath awareness. Mastering breath control also means mastering the mind-body connection. Meditative breathing builds focus, awareness of emotional triggers that change breath. Use breath as an emotional tool. Calm, power, vulnerability. The performer who controls their breath controls their audience. 10th. Daily breath control practice routine. See table above for more explanation. Consistency over time leads to vocal freedom. Conclusion. Advanced breath control is the cornerstone of vocal mastery. It empowers the voice to be consistent over time, expressive in emotion, flexible across range and volume, resilient under pressure. Breath is not just biological, it is artistic, spiritual, and technical. Mastering it will transform not just your voice, but your ability to connect, move, and inspire through sound.